Today, let us make a paper ring. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you want to try such amazing DIYs, do visit our website sparklebox.com. You can find grade-wise art and craft kits over there. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. Take a small square sheet, fold its sides as shown in the video. Now, take a paper strip and make it to the size of your finger. Paste its ends with fevicol. Now, let's paste the flower on the top of the rolled sheet. Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!